Everybody wants to know what the popping sound is when you get adjusted chiropractically. And chiropractors adjust synovial joints, and synovial joints is an area where two bones almost touch. It's surrounded by a joint capsule that's filled with fluid called synovial fluid. And when chiropractors adjust, we simply stretch the joint capsule. We open up an area that's restricted. We restore range of motion. And when we stretch right to where it's restricted, you hear that little release sound. It's not from the bones, nothing is breaking, it's not, the bones don't even touch each other. It's actually from gas in the synovial fluid being released. It doesn't hurt, and it actually lets us know that the adjustment's taken place, and it has some very profoundly positive effects on your body. A chiropractic adjustment does several things all at once. It restores range of motion where range of motion was restricted. It restores normal nerve function so that there's no longer nerve irritation. It relaxes the muscles right adjacent to that vertebrae so that you have profound muscle relaxation. It even causes endorphins to be released right at the level of the vertebrae so that it reduces pain. So in one fell swoop, we've now corrected the problem that was causing the issue, and we've reduced all of the symptoms associated with it at the same time. So chiropractic adjustment and that popping sound is a very elegant form of healing.